Indian film industry completed 100 years in the year 2030. On this occasion, a glittering event was conducted in the city of Chennai in the year 2030. Noted and eminent actors, actresses, directors, producers, and many other famous personalities related to film industry were commemorated on that special occasion. In this regard, Savitri had a special mention in the event. Dear students, did you know our Telugu film industry is also enriched with famous actors, actresses, and other cast and crew. They all enrich the industry to the core. And one more aspect is that Savitri is considered to be one of the all-time greatest heroines of Indian film industry. As far as Tollywood, the Telugu film industry is concerned, Savitri stands the all-time number one heroine, the female lead of Tollywood. Is it okay? Alright. Savitri, at the age of 8, had a thirst of acting. In that particular scenario, she had got some practice on dancing. She was also in good touch with theatre and films. Okay, can anybody sing one song of Savitri? Now let us give that particular chance to Jyotika.
ఆహనా పెళ్ళి అంట ఓహనా పెళ్ళి అంట నీకు నాకు పెళ్ళి అంట లోకం ఎంత గోలంట టామ్ టామ్ టామ్.
Very good, very good. Can anybody sing another song of Savitri? Who comes forward? Anyone from here? Savitri is another song. You got, okay, let us proceed the topic further. Savitri made her film debut as a heroine in the year 1950 with Samsara. She played full-length heroine's role in that movie. But prior to that, she got a chance to perform a special song in one of the masterpieces of Tollywood, Patala Bhairavi. And the song goes on like this. Niranante rane ranu, niranante rane ranu. Is it okay? Patala Bhairavi and Samsaram, a movie successes led Savitri numerous opportunities as heroine in subsequent films. Some of the masterpieces, classics of Tollywood, such as Maya Bajar, Gundama Katha, Missamma, Appu Jesi Pappugudu, Mangalya Balam, Devadasu. Films were enacted by Savitri as heroine. Devadasu, she played tragic role in Devadasu. Can anyone tell me the name of the hero of Devadasu? You tell.
ANR sir.
ANR. Is she right?
Yes, sir.
She is right. Then one more question is for you. Savitri and NTR acted together in the film Gundama Katha. Can anyone sing at least one song from Gundama Katha? Now the chance goes to this point.
లేచింది నిద్ర లేచింది మహిళా లోకం దద్దరిల్లింది పురుష ప్రపంచం.
Very nice, very nice. Give a big round of applause. Right. One more crucial aspect with regard to the qualities of Savitri is concerned. She performs all sorts of elements through her eyes itself. May it be a tragic performance, may it be a comic performance, or humor, or romance, or whatever be the element, she would express those feelings through her eyes. Isn't it a great quality? See, you take present day heroines. Do they perform well? Do they perform really well like Savitri? No, they can't. Do they can? No, they can't. Now, here, let us go through one of the all-time classics of Tollywood, Maya Bazaar. Maya Bazaar movie was released in the year 1957. What role did Savitri play in Maya Bazaar? You.
శశిరేఖ.
Very good, Shashirekha. Anusha, stand up. Can you sing one song performed by Savitri in that Maya Bazaar?
ఆహనా పెళ్ళి అంట ఓహనా పెళ్ళి అంట ఆహనా పెళ్ళి అంట ఓహనా పెళ్ళి అంట నీకి నాకు పెళ్ళి అంట లోకమంతా గోలంట టామ్ టామ్ టామ్.
Very good, very good, very good. You sang the song very nicely. You know one thing, you take Missamma. In Missamma also, NTR and Savitri were seen together. Both of them played the roles of teachers. One song was shot in the night effect and the moon was seen visible. In front of the moon, Savitri would sing one wonderful melody. Who can sing that song? You stand up. Now.
లాహిరి లాహిరిలో
Okay. You stand up. He's right. He's right.
No, sir.
You stand up. Is he right?
No, sir.
Lahiri Lahiri Lo song belongs to which movie? Then which song did I ask about from Miss Missamma?
రావోయి చందమామ.
Very nice, very nice. Okay. Give round of applause to her. Okay, right. Now, dear students, we shall learn about Savitri 3 times tomorrow. And before wrapping up today's transaction, I would like to reveal one more aspect regarding Savitri. A biopic is being made on Savitri's life. And the movie is named Mahanati. Kirti Suresh, one of the present day actresses, is performing the protagonist in that movie. The movie is yet to be released. Whatever it is, Savitri's life is a great inspiration to every woman, particularly every woman, because her determination, dedication, perseverance, commitment, hard work, all these best qualities made her staying permanently in the hearts of movie lovers forever and ever. Thank you.